In this video, I'll briefly go over the account overview section of the Barruko website. The account details section contains all your personal information, including name, address, email address, payment method, and phone number. You can also select your email preferences on this page. User management contains a list of users associated with your Barruko account, including the owner. Here you can also invite a new user to your account. Payment methods is where you can go to add new payment methods. Contacts provides a list of contacts and their details for you to modify, as well as the ability to add new contacts. Account security just contains an option to enable or disable single sign-on. Email history contains a list of emails between you and Barruko, such as invoices, support tickets, and order confirmations. In your profile, you can find your first name, last name, email address, and the option to change any of these details. Change password is where you can reset the password for your Barruko account. Finally, security settings is where you can enable two-factor authentication.